In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. There are several things which we don't like, but as a matter of fact, these things are good for us. These things are very good for us. Simply, we need to understand it. Simply, we need to look upon it from a different angle. Likewise, there are certain other things which we like so much. But as a matter of fact, these things are not good for us, not good for us at all. All of us like to be praised, all of us like to be appreciated, all of us like to be even flattered. Is it good for us? Maybe if we take it sensibly, maybe if we take it sensibly, maybe if we look upon it a little bit critically, it is okay. And we don't like if somebody is criticizing us, if somebody is disagreeing with us, if somebody does not appreciate it, we like it and dislike it and dislike it so much. Dislike it so much that our mood goes off. Dislike it so much that we somehow damages our relationship with that particular person, damages our interest with that particular person. This is so. What to do? We need to understand one thing, that every time somebody is disagreeing with us, somebody is criticizing us, somebody is identifying the lacunas inside our own opinion. As a matter of fact, this is an opportunity. As a matter of fact, this is a blessing in disguise as well. This is not bad for us, this is rather good for us. This is not bad for us, this is good for us. Yes or not? This is really good for us. Why is it good for us? There is a question first. Do you want, do I want to improve our opinion? Do you or I, do we want to reduce the errors, the mistakes, the lacunas in our opinion? The answer is obvious yes. The answer is a big yes. Although there are buts and buts and buts, there are several ifs and buts. But without going into the ifs and the buts, I think it is beneficial for us. Why is it beneficial for us? Because this is a kind of opportunity to improve our opinion, to improve our opinion, improvement in our opinions, and and somehow getting rid of the misunderstandings, improving our opinions, improving our perceptions. It is actually something really good, really good. Is it so? Yes, it is so. So we should be taking every criticism, every sort of disagreement with the people as a chance to improve our opinions, our stance, our policy. but only if we take it like that. Also, it is a chance to improve our relationship with the particular that particular person who is criticizing us, who is even criticizing us. What usually happens is that we somehow start disliking that particular person, due to which the kind of space, the kind of distance which already existed between the two of us has increased further, and we reduce, minimize our interaction with each other. The quantity of the interactions goes drastically, even the quality of the interaction goes down drastically, because we don't find it a source of happiness to meet each other, to discuss with each other. While I have seen certain big people, I have seen certain great personalities, if they were criticized, and even criticized publicly, if they were criticized and even criticized publicly, these big people start developing a kind of relationship with that particular person, the one who has criticized and criticized harshly, and that too in the public. I worked with a journalist for some time, and I came to know that if at all the people, the VIPs, the public office holders are criticized, they people, the VIPs, start improving their relationship with that particular journalist. Maybe so that this journalist will not like to criticize them very harshly again. Maybe this is the reason. But somehow I have seen another big leader who is not alive today. He and his party was criticized publicly. Then I saw that he improved the relationship with that particular person. This is what is the policy of the big people, the people who want to become big. So why we can't improve our relationship with the person who is criticizing us, with the person who is somehow even criticizing us harshly? If at all we are serious, and if at all we are sensible enough to improve our opinions, I think this will help us a lot. Really. Thank you. Jazakallah.